Upmovium is a new automatized industrial storage system which optimizes 100% your warehouse capacity. This system provides a storage capacity of 5 to 8 compartments in adaptable shelves, plus 2 additional storing compartments on the topmost levels. The elevating platform moves and distributes stored material, facilitating customer orders in a safe, effective, and flexible way. The preparation of a lightweight order may be carried out manually, thus reducing by 70% the amount of time needed. The heavier materials can be handled with a single crane. Entire packages are easily handled by one operator using 2 cranes at a time. Warehouse organization means optimizing time, effort, and direct savings for your company, minimizing your space and workforce. The order processing used by Upmovium is controlled by an integral warehouse management system, as well as a material traceability software program where the product is traced from the moment the customer places the order to the moment it reaches its destination. There are 6 slots which enable the processing of 6 different orders at a given time. Upmovium means enormous benefits for your warehousing management. Upmovium is the solution for the optimization of your warehouse.